Hello everyone, this video is in continuation with my last video that was about botanical gardens. And in this video, I am going to share with you oldest and largest botanical gardens of the world. So student, first botanical garden was at University of Pisa, Italy. This botanical garden was founded in 1543 to 44 by the naturalist Luca Ghini in Pisa. You can see here Old Botany Institute at Botanical Garden, Pisa. Student, Pisa Botanical Garden was first of its kind. The exciting new ideas to dry plant and carefully illustrate them so they could be studied and utilized throughout the off-season was just one of the many innovations that took place within this garden. For centuries, the Botanical Garden has been collecting illustrations, artwork, seeds, rare and endangered specimens, as well as scientific journals, along with the 148 flower beds and ancient ginkgo biloba, that is a gymnosperm tree, planted in 1787. Some of the garden's most impressive treasures include their pharaonic collections, means their large collection of specimens found in the ancient Egyptian tombs, and their impressive aquatic plant collections, some of which are so endangered, means they are no longer found in any natural environment. Student, the garden has moved twice, once in 1563 and then again in 1591. These relocations are the cause of split for the oldest botanical garden title between Ghini's garden and the botanical garden of the Padua that was established a year later in 1945. But students, credit for the first botanical garden was given to Padua Botanical Garden because it was still flourishing in its original location and thus making it the oldest botanical garden still in the place of origin. So let's know in detail about the first botanical garden, that is at Padua, Italy. It is considered as the oldest botanical garden of the world. It was in the area of 2.2 hectare and has more than 6,000 plant specimens. Student, it was considered the first botanical garden and was created in Padua in 1545. Botanical Garden of the Padua is the oldest surviving example of this type of cultural property. Botanical gardens have played a vital role throughout the history in the communication and exchange of not only the ideas and concepts but also of the plants and knowledge. You can see here Botanical Garden Padua, its small portion. According to UNESCO, the Botanical Garden of Padua is the original of all botanical gardens throughout the world and represent the worth of science, of scientific exchanges and understanding of the relationship between nature and culture. So it is playing a great role in the development of botany. It has made a profound contribution to the development of many modern scientific disciplines, notably botany, medicine, chemistry, ecology, and pharmacy, because it is a large collection of medicinal and many endangered plants. Student, next botanical garden is Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, that is in the England, and it is the world largest botanical garden. So if you asked in your examination what is the oldest botanical garden, then your answer will be Padua Botanical Garden at the Italy, And if you are asked about the largest botanical garden, then you will write Royal Botanical Gardens, Kew. Student, Royal Botanical Gardens, Kew is the home to the world's largest and most diverse collection of living plants. Today, the Royal Botanical Gardens at Kew are recognized as a global center of excellence for the study of plants and fungi. Based on the unraveled living and preserved plants as well as fungal collection. In 2003, Kew Gardens were designated a UNESCO World Heritage Sites. So students, before going into the detail, let's see some glimpses of Royal Botanical Garden, Kew. Botanical Garden was started by Sir Henry Capel in 1696 as his private garden, but later on, in about 1759, Princess of Wales started to develop here a Royal Botanical Garden. The Royal Botanical Gardens at Kew has more than 50,000 species of native and exotic plants, trees and flowers. Sir William Jackson Hooker was appointed director of these gardens in 1841, and under his directorship the garden increased from 20 acre to more than 250 acre. The present area of these gardens is about 300 acres. In 1865, J.D. Hooker succeeded his father as the director of Kew. Various departments of this garden are its library, herbarium, economic museum, gardens and the zoological laboratory. A curator is in charge of the garden, while the other departments are headed by a keeper. Important publications of the garden are Kew Bulletin started in 1887, Index Kewensis and Kew Botanical Magazine. So students, these are the largest and oldest botanical garden of the world. Credit for oldest botanical garden was given to Padua, that was established in 1545, and credit for the largest botanical garden was given to Kew Botanical Garden, that is at London. So students, you can expect some questions regarding to these topics in your exam as well as in your competitive exams. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you for listening.